Hey everybody, what's up? It's Sheep Town here, and today I'm going to be showing you my slime collection. Let's go. So, the first slime I have is this slime I made. It doesn't have the cap on because it's going to be iceberg slime. It's the camera. Love it. Yes, I am in my kitchen. That's my lunchbox back there, if you can see it. Okay. This is I made this slime today, just about maybe an hour or two ago, I'm allowed to say. See, yeah, that's that slime. I also have a bigger container of it. I'm going to be mixing all my slimes together soon. So, here's the same slime. Okay. My next slime is a crunchy slime that I made. It's quite stretchy. It's not too much of a crunchy slime because there's not a lot of styrofoam beads, because I just found the styrofoam beads in my basement. I also found some outside while I was walking from the park home. It's quite sticky, but that's good because when I get more styrofoam beads, I can make it into foam, which will be good. Next one is this pink slime. I know I love making pink slimes. It's not that good of a slime because it can pretty much almost snap right out. It's really slippery and jiggly. But yeah, looks like some sort of cake or something. I just use it to moisturize my hands when we're making slime. It's really good to make your hands less sticky. I have a really bad paper cut on my finger. I almost dropped that. Yeah. So that it's kind of hard if you can. It's kind of hard to see. It's that red thing right there. Right there. Yeah. Next slime, I made this like 1 or 2 days ago. This one's quite firm. Again, it's pink. My favorite color is pink. Quite firm, as you can see. Yeah, it has a really nice sound. It's not too stretchy. It was stretchy a while ago, but I love it when the bubbles appear. Okay, my final slime is this one. The pink one. There's a lot of slime. It's, let's see, silver, blue, purple, light pink, dark pink. Those colors mixed together. If you look really closely, focus camera. Focus. Well, there's sparkles in it. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more. Bye. This is the tablet. It's not even on camera.